Glossary. King, a man who rules a country and who is from a royal family. Ladder, long two pieces of wood joined with many other small pieces used up to climb something. Learn your lessons. Learn from something so that it will not happen again. Line, a long thick mark like this. List a lot of names or other things that you write one after another. Look after. Take care of somebody or something. Lucky, have good luck or have good things happen by chance. Melon, a large sweet fruit. Merchant, a person who buys and sells things. Mile, a measure of length which is equals to 1.6 kilometers. Mistake, something that you do wrong or incorrect. Nail, a small thin piece of metal with one sharp end which you hit into wood to fix things together. No good to me, not able to be used, useless. Obey, to do what somebody tells you to do. Parrot, a bird with brightly colored feather that can copy what people say. Pigeon, a bird usually grey or brown which has a fat body. Pirate, a person on a ship who robs other ships. Plan, verb, to decide to do something. Noun, how to do it. Plant, to put plant or seed in the ground so that they will grow. Poor, in this case, used to express sympathy or sadness for someone. Poor Robinson Crusoe usually means with very little money. Pot, a deep round container. Prisoner, someone who has been caught and held by an enemy. Any person who is not free. Raft, a flat boat with no sides, usually made of large pieces of wood tied together. Relative, a person in your family. Rich, with a lot of money. Rope, very thick, strong string or cord. Safe, not in danger or not hurt. Sail, verb, to travel on water. Noun, a big piece of cloth on a boat that is used by the wind and moves the boat along. Sandbank, a large amount of sand below the surface of the sea or a river. Save, to take somebody or something away from danger. Sea captain, a person in charge of a ship. Seaman, a sailor, a man who works on a ship. Season, a part of the year that is its own type of weather. Seed, the small hard part of a plant from which a new plant grows. Servant, a person who works for another person, doing works like cooking and cleaning. Shallow, not very deep. Shell, the hard outside part of an egg. Sign, to make a movement with your hands or arms, to let somebody something know without words. Sink, go under water. Skin, the outer covering of the body. Slave, someone who is owned by another person and must work for that person for no money. Spade, a tool you use for digging. Steal, to take something that is not yours. Storm, very bad weather with strong winds and rain. Suddenly, happening quickly when you do not want or do not expect it. Sugarcane, a tall plant that sugar comes from. Surprise or surprised, something that is unexpected. The feeling you have when the unexpected things happen. Sword, a long sharp piece of metal used for fighting. Tent, a kind of house made of a cloth. Terrible, very bad. Tide, the movement of the sea towards the land and away from the land. Tie up, to put a piece of rope around somebody or something so that they cannot move. Tobacco, a plant. Some people smoke the dried leaves of the plant in cigarettes and pipe. Tool, something you hold in your hand and use to make or do things. Trouble, difficulty, problems, fighting and arguing. Turtle, an animal with a hard shell that lives in the sea most of the time. Unlucky, have bad luck when good things do not happen to you. Village, a small town. Wall, a thing made of wood, stones or bricks that grows around something or divides two pieces of land. Wave, a raised part of the water on top of the sea. Thank you.